Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A32 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So firstly we have to enter the browser, and in my case it would be Google Chrome. And let's tap on this three dots icon. Actually, I know that here we've got some strange icon, but now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. The history, sorry. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously opened apps. Of course, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right here. And as you can see, they immediately disappear. But if you'd like to remove, let's say, advanced browsing history, browsing data, just tap on clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we can also remove saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. Of course, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So just tap on it, and in order to remove saved passwords, for example, just mark it. I would like to remove everything, so just mark all of those options and tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is cleared, is empty, so it means that we successfully removed everything actually. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.